What's the difference between revenue and income? Revenue or income usually are used interchangeably to mean the same thing, that is, anything earned whether collected or not. Examples are sales revenue or sales income, rent revenue or rent income, interest revenue or interest income, subscription revenue or subscription income. Just to reiterate, it must be earned, meaning there must be a perfected sales or service delivery or performance of service regardless if paid or not by the clients. Therefore, bear in mind that the revenue or income consists of 1. Cash revenue, those already paid by the customer, and 2. Revenue on account, those that are not yet paid by the customer.